Well, attend you gallant Irishmen and listen for a while. I'll sing to you the praises of our boys from Erin's Isle. It's all about an ambush, I'll have you now beware, that happened on Renine Hill in the county of Clare. Our boys, they waited patiently with eyes both sharp and keen, waiting for the black and tans to come into Renine. Our scout at once he sighted them without the least delay, and signaled to his comrades to get ready and prepare. His comrade boys got ready without the least delay, and signaled to their scout again to let them come their way. The black and tans, they came along in lorries, as you know, and met our boys upon the road, which dealt them a great blow. They fought upon the high road, man to man, you know, with shotguns and revolvers against armored cars and so. After the first volley, their machine gun it gave way, and turned along the high road, which caused them great delay. The black and tans put up their hands, and the peelers likewise, when they saw the determined faces of our Irish boys. The scout jumped to 6 soldiers that looked to be so tall. Now you'll get what you least expect from the bush by the wall. The black and tans put up their hands to our boys for relief, and in 2 or 3 seconds they were all gone off to sleep. They then took 20 rifles, likewise the machine gun, saying now we're ready for reinforcements that will come. After an hour or so the reinforcements did arrive. The scout he gave his signal to his comrades there to fire. They fired their first volley from the captured machine gun, and burned up the lorries, destroying many of them. Now to conclude and finish, I think it should be right that all young-hearted Irishmen together should unite. Together should they sympathize and do the best they can, to have another ambush and hunt the black and tan.